Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the new sand sculpting hobby in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, head to the central square and find Azure. Talk to Azure and purchase the sculpting hobby for 100 wishing stars. And after unlocking the hobby, speak to Azure again to claim 5 free sand bases. Next, go back to your home, place a sand base, and start sculpting. As you sculpt, try to build up a 10 successful combo. Once you reach it, you'll be asked to guess what's hidden inside the sand. If you guess correctly, you'll receive Hobby EXP. Even if your guess is wrong, you'll still earn Hobby EXP, but you'll get a failed sand sculpture instead. Okay, guys, and that's everything you need to know to get started with the sculpting hobby. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.